Presentation consists of company introduction, educational program, ISFT. KTENG is a corporate research and development activities for new technology which is central to contribute to industry development and advanced technology workforce through educational value creation and sustainable technologies. KTENG companies that pursue humanistic education, technology, science, humanism, environmentally friendly humanity and create the value of education. Chalsu Kim, CEO, is a professor in Gachyeon University and chairman of many symposium as a doctor. Also he is Global ISFT Korea Chairman. KTENG is founded in 2000. Its operating lab and do our best to training science technologies manpower has developed refrigeration and air conditioning energy, renewable power energy, renewable thermal energy education content development and training equipment. As we are specialty enterprise, to lead the technology advancement and dissemination of information and education, we will strengthen the capacity of the organization, expertise to equip every effort will continue to do our best to practice with a steady creativity, challenge. Main business is science and technology education equipment research and development, education service in mechanical electrical and electronics for staff and students and employee, focused on the entire science and technology society activities. R&D consists of 12 parts as below. Refrigeration and air conditioning system, new renewable energy electricity system, new renewable energy heat system, green technology LED system, auto control mechatronic system, electrical sequence control system, power equipment system, smart grid system, firefighting system, automobile system, robot control system, welding machine system. First of all, we introduce refrigeration and air conditioning energy control educational system. First, it can be fulfilled education as center of training site. Second, it can be realized to auto control equipment system for industrial site. Third, develop maintainability of professional refrigeration and air conditioning equipment system. Lastly, it pursues an environmental friendly energy education. We introduce training education of refrigeration and air conditioning energy control educational system. KTE 101, Working Standard Refrigeration System Test Process. Standard refrigeration experimental equipment, it can be learning principle of basic refrigeration and can practice basic circuit with sequence and auto control. Load variations, evaporation experiments can be condensed into a variable load with fan motor control, can collect data with being interlocked with PC and can construct the PI lead as analyzing data. KTE 102, Practical Experiments EPR Freezing Process. Evaporation pressure parallel control experimental equipment, 2 or more sets of parallel evaporator evaporation device can be operated hands automatic control. Experiments can adjust the load on the evaporator in parallel using evaporator regulator pressure. The 2 loads of evaporation can be constructed leading to the PI being interlocked with PC. KTE 103, Heat Pump System Performance Test Practical Course. Four-way reverse valve control heat pump heating and cooling experimental equipment. Heat pumps can be automatically controlled lab experiments using a 4-way valve. KTE 104, Cryogenic Cooling and Heating System Performance Practice Course. Binary refrigeration experimental equipment. The binary refrigeration system may automatically control the experiments. A PI diagram of the binary refrigeration cycle operation, and can be analyzed in conjunction with the PC. KTE 105, Brine Cooling System Performance Test Practice Course. Brine refrigeration experimental equipment. Automatic control of brine cooling system can make experiments. Maybe a regenerative load analysis laboratory exercises based on brine mixing ratio. It is possible to construct and analyze the PI liter in conjunction with PC. KTE 106, Automotive Air Conditioning System Performance Test Practice Course. Car air conditioner, AC, experimental equipment. Automatic control of vehicle air conditioning system can be experiments. You can test the performance of the compressor depends on compressor motor control. The vehicle driving cycle air conditioning can be constructed leading PIA in conjunction with PC. KTE 107, Air Conditioning System Performance Test Practice Course. Air conditioning unit automatic control equipment. A constant temperature and humidity air conditioning system can be automatically controlled lab experiments. Preheating, pre-cooling, reheating, recooling temperature control trials practice. Preheat humidification, dehumidification warm-up can be a dehumidification experiment. Using PC connectivity data acquisition system, psychrometric chart can analyze the experiment. KTE 108, Air Handling Unit LabVIEW Programming System Performance Test Practice Course. Air Handling Unit LabVIEW Programming Equipment. It can be a constant temperature and humidity controlled air conditioning experiment with LabVIEW collection device. The indoor temperature and humidity can be precisely controlled trials. Psychrometric chart can analyze the experiment with PC interlock data collection device. Next, let me introduce ISFT. ISFT is International Society on the Fusion Science and Technologies that hosted the first ISFT in Gyeongsang University in Korea 2012, the second ISFT in Rajamanagala University of Technology Suvarnabhumi in Thailand 2013, the third ISFT in New Technology Training Center of Korea Polytechnics in Korea. The fourth ISFT will be held in Rajamanagala University of Technology Suvarnabhumi, Huntra campus in Thailand. ISFT is Global Scholar event as hosted biennial. This event is to discuss the fusion science and technology to solve the global environmental problems. It aims to education and cultural exchange, human resource development, joint research and development, industrial technology inspection, development for fusion science and technologies through Global Human Network Organization. We will do our best to R&D in technical education with creation or action and challenge mind.